Hi everyone, this is Kimberly Gladysz, and I am bringing a message from the Golden Assembly of Light Beings for this new moon, April 1st. I am giving this message here from Hawaii, and so you might hear some raindrops in the background, but really grateful to be here with you and invite you to just tune in and take the part of the message that means the most to you at this time. Notice what resonates for you. Yes, we are really honored to be here in this international way. And what we want to express today is that there are so many bridges between the worlds and between cultures, and there are so many ways that ways of being are woven together. And this is the most important process at this time. It is a weaving. It is a taking the intelligence from different areas, the sharing of information, but not just information that on its own. What is most important also is this quality of sharing that is important. For humanity to feel that the pure essence of sharing, the process of sharing, has this value in and of itself. And so we ask you at this time to focus on the ways in your life that you share with others, and in the many different arenas, or perhaps it's in the way that you share with your family, and taking the time to stop and to recognize the quality of your presence as you share. We mean at this time that it is a precious time for a deeper kind of communication, a deeper kind of connection between those who are open to this quality of presence and transmission, exchange, or in other words, transformation. And so just as you share with those in your life, in your daily life, we invite you as well to open up to the transmissions, the ways that patterns of energy may come through your body, the ways that you might have ideas that are woven together in ways you had not thought of before. This is an openness to the new. And yes, in this new moon, it is a time to truly let go of anything that feels like a weight. We again encourage you to speak to us in the ways of your truest desires, and not to feel that it's too much to ask. For if this is the power of your manifestation in the world, to understand that everything that you have wanted to create is possible. Feeling this and sharing this, your ideas with others, not feeling that there's anything that you should keep to yourself until it is perfect enough. To allow others to contribute, and again, do this weaving together of energies to accomplish goals. For you can accomplish much when hearts and spirits are all aligned together. And so we encourage you to enjoy this month, and as you are fully present in your co-creations. And we thank you from the depths of our heart beings for inviting us here with you. Know that we are just a call away. Aho.